Welcome. I'm glad you're here because today we're going to talk about something that affects almost everyone who studies, whether you're in school, university, or learning on your own. It's that frustrating feeling when you spend hours reading or taking notes, only to realize later that you can barely recall any of it. You close your book and think, why didn't this stick? And the truth is, it's not your fault. Our brains are wired in a way that makes memorization challenging when we try to force it or cram too much information at once. But the good news is that there are strategies you can use, simple, practical approaches that work with your brain instead of against it. By the end of this video, you'll have tools that help you remember what you study without the stress, and you'll feel more confident every time you sit down to learn. The first thing to understand is that memory isn't about sheer willpower. Your brain doesn't store information like a hard drive, copying everything exactly as it is. Instead, it organizes memories like a network of connections, strengthening the links between ideas when you revisit them or connect them to things you already know. Think of it like planting a small garden. You can drop seeds into the soil, but if you never water them, they won't grow. These seeds need nurturing, gentle attention, and the right environment. That's what we're going to create for your learning today. Start by noticing how you approach your study sessions. Many people fall into the trap of trying to read as much as possible in one go, highlighting everything, and hoping it will stick. This overloads your brain, causing stress and mental fatigue. Instead, try breaking your study time into focused intervals, giving your brain a chance to process and consolidate what it's learning. Imagine sitting with a single concept for 15 to 20 minutes, fully engaging with it. Read it, speak it aloud, visualize it, and ask yourself questions about it. Then take a short break, stretch, or even close your eyes and recall what you just learned. Studies on spaced repetition show that spacing out your learning this way strengthens memory far more than marathon sessions, because your brain has time to integrate the new information into long-term memory. As you begin to practice this, notice the difference it makes. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by pages of notes, you'll feel like you're slowly building a foundation of knowledge, layer by layer. And this method works best when paired with active engagement. Don't just read passively. Interact with the material. Try teaching it to an imaginary friend or explain it to yourself in your own words. Your brain lights up differently when you actively recall and process information compared to when you just read or highlight. Picture yourself walking through a forest and naming each tree you see. The act of naming, touching, and noticing strengthens your connection to the world around you. Memory works the same way. When you touch, name, and notice ideas, they stick. Next, create vivid associations. Our brains love stories, images, and emotions. They make information unforgettable. If you're learning a list of facts or a formula, turn it into a story or a mental picture. Imagine a concept as a character in a small scene, or create a funny, memorable connection. This technique, often called the method of loci, has been used by memory champions for centuries. One study found that students who used visual imagery to link abstract concepts remembered up to 50% more than those who simply read the material. You don't have to be an artist or a genius to do this. Even a simple, imaginative picture in your mind will make your memory stronger. Try it now. Think of the last concept you studied and imagine it as a tiny scene or character. Notice how the information becomes more alive and easier to recall. As you continue, pay attention to your environment. Your brain forms stronger memories when the setting is calm, comfortable, and free of distractions. This doesn't mean you need a perfectly silent room, but a space where you can focus and feel relaxed will make a huge difference. Notice the subtle cues, soft lighting, a comfortable chair, a cup of tea, or water nearby. Even simple rituals, like opening your notebook or clearing your desk before studying, signal to your brain that it's time to pay attention and absorb information. Over time, These cues become part of the memory process itself. You'll find that just being in this environment helps your brain retrieve what you've learned more efficiently. Another powerful tool is a practice of retrieval. Instead of rereading the same pages over and over, close your book and ask yourself questions about what you just studied. Can you summarize the main ideas? Can you explain them aloud? This works because memory is strengthened when you actively pull information from your brain rather than passively reviewing it. Think of it like exercising a muscle. The more you recall, the stronger the memory becomes. Researchers have found that students who test themselves regularly, even without looking at notes, retain information far longer than those who only read and reread. You can make this fun. Turn your study session into a mini quiz or even a game with yourself. Feel the satisfaction when you successfully recall a piece of information. It's your brain celebrating a connection made. Sleep is another critical factor that many people overlook. Your brain doesn't just rest while you sleep. It actively consolidates memories, strengthening neural connections and clearing out unnecessary clutter. Even a short nap after a study session can significantly improve recall, according to multiple neuroscience studies. Imagine your brain as a sponge. During the day, it absorbs water, the knowledge you encounter. At night, sleep squeezes that sponge, helping the water seep into the fabric of your mind. Try experimenting with timing your learning and rest. Study new material, then give your brain a pause, and notice how the recall feels easier afterward. This simple rhythm of focus and rest reduces stress and boosts memory naturally. In addition to rest, movement can enhance your memory. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and releases chemicals that strengthen neural connections. Even a short walk, a few stretches, or light exercise before or after studying can make a surprising difference in how well information sticks. Some students find it helpful to pace while reciting information aloud or to do gentle movements while reviewing notes. Imagine walking through a room and mentally reciting facts. The combination of motion and recall embeds the information more deeply. Your body and brain work together, and incorporating movement makes learning feel more natural and less like a chore. Nutrition and hydration also play a subtle but important role. Your brain is a high-energy organ that thrives on the right fuel. Water, healthy fats, and nutrient-rich foods help it function optimally. Skipping meals or staying dehydrated can make concentration and memory retention much harder. Notice how a simple glass of water before studying improves focus, or how a balanced snack makes it easier to stay attentive. These small adjustments support the same goal, making your learning effortless, calm, and effective. Another mental habit that helps reduce stress and improve memory is mindfulness. Simple mindfulness techniques, like focusing on your breath or observing your thoughts without judgment for a few minutes before studying, prepare your brain to absorb information. When your mind is calm, it can form connections more efficiently. Try this. Take 3 slow breaths. Feel the air enter and leave your body. Notice how your mind shifts from scattered thoughts to gentle attention. Then begin studying. You'll find it easier to concentrate, and recall will come more naturally. Over time, this practice trains your brain to stay present, reducing anxiety about remembering and making study sessions more enjoyable. It's also important to acknowledge the emotional aspect of learning. We remember things that matter to us, things that evoke curiosity or excitement. Try to find personal meaning in what you study. Ask yourself, why does this matter to me? Or how can I use this in real life? Even a small emotional connection strengthens memory. Imagine reading a historical fact and picturing yourself experiencing that moment, or linking a mathematical principle to something practical in your daily life. These personal touches create pathways in your brain that make information accessible without stress. Consistency is the secret ingredient that ties all of these strategies together. It's better to study a little each day using these techniques than to cram in long, stressful sessions. Over time, your brain becomes trained to absorb, connect, and recall information naturally. Notice the difference after just a week or two. Concepts that once felt foreign start to feel familiar. Your confidence grows, and studying becomes a calm, manageable part of your routine instead of a source of anxiety. Before we finish, here's a simple routine you can try immediately. Choose one topic. Study it in focused intervals. Create vivid mental images. Actively recall what you've learned and take short breaks with light movement. Repeat this for several days. Pair it with good sleep, hydration, and mindfulness, and notice how effortlessly information begins to stick. Every time you practice this, your brain is literally rewiring itself, making learning easier, faster, and less stressful. Remember, the journey to stress-free memory isn't about perfection. It's about gentle, consistent practice and creating a supportive environment for your brain. You have the tools now to make studying something you can approach with calm and confidence, not dread. Try applying these methods tomorrow, even in a small way, and notice how your recall improves. Celebrate the small wins, because every connection your brain makes is a step toward effortless learning. Thank you for spending this time here and for giving your brain the care it deserves. If you practice these strategies daily, even for short sessions, you'll find that remembering what you study becomes not only possible but natural. Your mind will feel lighter, your confidence will grow, and the stress that once weighed on your learning will begin to fade. Keep experimenting. Keep noticing what works best for you, and allow yourself to enjoy the process. And if you want to continue on this journey, make it a habit to come back. Apply what you've learned and watch your brain transform over time.